Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate, jumping on for this month's edition of our market update for the Wildwoods, New Jersey. As usual, we will kick it off north and head south. So we'll start it off with North Wildwood for September of 2022. Currently, we have 44 properties on the market, so that inventory in North Wildwood continues to stay in the 40s, which is really, really, really low. Total listed 21, which is a good amount. But we also had 21 sell. So if we look at the 44 on the market, we're averaging over 20 sales a month. It leaves us still with around 2 months of inventory in North Wildwood, which is still a severe seller's market. Average sale price of those homes sold was $681,289. List to sale price ratio at 98.34. So just a little below 100%, about a 1.5% discount on average across the board, and an average days on the market of 104. Next, we'll jump into Wildwood for September 2022. Currently 111 homes on the market, so Wildwood's inventory continues to be up over 100. You had 54 new listings, is a big number. 25 sales, so if you take that number as about the average, we have just over a 4-month inventory in Wildwood. Average sale price of $363,369. List to sale ratio of 97.91. An average days on the market of 111. Jumping into West Wildwood for September 2022. Currently 6 homes on the market. You had 2 list, 2 sold. Average sale price of those 2 sold was $431,250. List to sale ratio on those 2 was 107.83, so well above asking on both of those. An average days on the market of 54, which makes sense with the sale price being so high over the listing price. Cruising into Wildwood Crest for September 2022. 64 on the market, so the number in the Crest stays about the same in the 60s. You had 24 new listings, 20 sold. Again, if we take 20 as about the average, you're looking at a 3-month inventory in the Crest. Average sale price sold of $682,450, $682,450. List to sale ratio at 95.04. So that number's come down a bit from last month, about a 5% discount across the board. Properties are still selling quickly though at average days on the market of 78. Lastly, we have Diamond Beach for September. We have 4 properties currently on the market. There was no new listings. We did have 5 sell. Average sale price of those sold was $671,980. List to sale ratio of 99.59, so almost at 100%. And average days on the market of 92. So what are we looking at the end of September, the end of the 3rd quarter here in 2022? We're still looking at very, very low inventory in North Wildwood. Again, about a 2-month supply. Wildwood Crest has about a 3-month supply. We don't really look at West Wildwood because it's a very small area, so there's never many listings. But again, it's still at 2 or 3 sales a month. There's a 2 or 3 month supply there. Wildwood has about a 4-month supply, and they've stayed at over 100 properties for sale for the last couple of months. List to sale ratio is pretty strong across the board. The Crest did dip to 95%. Otherwise, everyone's over 97, so there's no big discounts going on just yet. Interest rates did jump again on second homes recently, so we'll see if that affects the October numbers when we get to the end of the month. But for now, we are still very deeply in a seller's market. Buyer interest has slowed down some. The price appreciation has basically come to a halt. We are seeing prices drop a little bit, but nothing drastic. I really think it's people that were just ahead of the market when they were listing, going by how fast the market was moving before. Now they're realizing it's just not moving at all really anymore as far as pricing goes, but it's still strong. We're still seeing a lot of buyers. We're still seeing a lot of properties sell, and the inventory remains very, very low. And as long as that continues, simple supply and demand means that we're still going to be in a pretty strong market. But again, we'll see what happens after this last rate change at the end of October. And I'll catch you then. Once again, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the end of next month, or end of this month. Sorry.